Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the best trading channel on YouTube. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about FINVIZ and how to use it for swing trades. Super easy video, not too complicated. So get ready if you guys want to get like a notepad or anything just to jot down what I'm doing. Super helpful. So looking at the big three here, we have the Dow, NASDAQ, S&P 500. We can get a good overall feel of the market here. A little bit of a bear market. So going down here, we have sector breakdown. So as you guys can see, we have Google is up a little bit. Bank of America, I think that is. Amazon's up. Disney's up. I'm not sure what that one is. General Electric's up. And just the rest of them are down. Apple's down. Facebook's down. Microsoft. And a variety of others. So you guys can get a good overall feel of the market before you guys jump into anything. So now the next thing you guys want to do is move on to screener. So for those of you that don't know what FINVIZ is pretty much a free stock scanner or a free stock screener, however you guys picture it here. But what they do here, I'll minimize myself a little more so you guys can kind of see a little better. Whoops, it is not working. There it goes. So really what it is it allows you to scan the market. Now it is delayed 20 minutes, but if you guys want to get real time, that is down below. It's roughly like $30 a month to get this real time for the elite program right here. So it's up to you. But really what we're going to do is we're going to kind of incorporate a ton of things here. So large cap stocks are roughly over, anywhere from $20 to $30. So we're going to go over 30. Okay. So these stocks are going to have higher float, which means you're going to have to incorporate a higher number of volume before you make a trade. So when we go to average volume, under or over 500,000 on a small cap stock would be very, very large. And over 500,000 on on Apple is every day, bro. Who sings that? Jake Paul. So we're going to want to go over 1 million, okay? Or even like right here, 500K to 10 million. In between that, I'll just go over 1 for right now, and we can always come back. One thing that kind of sucks about FINVIZ, however you guys say it, is ads always pop up, but it is a free program, so you kind of get what you pay for here. So now we have 649 results. Now this is not going to be our total results here. We're going to want to go to relative volume. And relative volume, we're going to want it over, 0.5 pretty much for large cap. For small cap, it's kind of over 1. But this is the overall demand for the stock. And it's just roughly, 0.5 here. All right. So now once we get that, this number should shoot down significantly. So now we have 478 left. Now we're going to want to go to this pattern right here. Now we're going to want to, depending on what type of trader you are, you're going to want to go channel up or channel down. If you're a long bias trader, you're going to want to channel up. If you're a short bias trader, channel down. So we're just going to go channel up for right now, a basic one. And now this, I guarantee, will cut out a lot of them. Sorry, my chair is so squeaky. I don't know what's going on with it here. All right, so now we have everything like that. So now we can kind of start messing around with some of the other ones because we still do have 84. We can go to the relative volume and we can shoot it over 1 just to incorporate everything we kind of put into. I just like to use that for small caps, but since there's so much kind of going on right now, we have stocks that are shooting up, 200% shooting down. A lot, maybe over 1 won't be too bad. All right, so now we have 33 left. So now what I want to do is I want to click this charts button. Now when I click this charts button, we're looking for 2 things. We're looking for stocks at support and stocks that are pretty much undervalued. So how you do that, it's super simple. So you see this it says SMA 200 right here. Now this SMA 200 is this line right here. As you guys can see, there's a slight line. Now we're looking at stocks that are gonna come into contact with that. And if there is any, that's awesome. But sometimes we don't see it. It's a ton of them. All right, so BBY looks like it's coming in contact with it, but doesn't use it as support. Use the SMA 50 more as a resistance or some sort of support here rather than the 200. So possibly BBY, pretty strong. So now we're just continue to looking. We're just looking for stocks. That's all we're doing. And I know what I do is I always start on the top left and I move across. So nothing here. Right here, that's hitting the SMA 50. We're looking for stocks that are just at some sort of support level, because this is going to be the best overall way that we, find stocks to trade. So, that's all we're doing. I wanted to try to find one for you guys, but it looks like we don't see any right now. So now what we can do here is we can go channel down. Now, channel down, we might have a lot more of that, hitting support. One of the reasons why I wanted to look at channel up first is because the trend is your friend, and I get, if a stock's going down, it has a higher upside, but if a stock's going up, it has a tendency to keep going up, if that makes any sense. So, same thing. We have roughly 17, looking for stocks that are hitting this line right here, this SMA 200. So nothing really. There's a ton of ads on FINVIZ. Nothing. So it looks like there could be a possible short on Dow. Looking like it could possibly come back up. Hitting this recent trend line support, possible breakdown all the way to 45, $2 gain on that. This one, nope. Nope. We're looking, we're just looking for stocks that are going to have a strong reversal. That's all we're looking for. So really nothing moving too much. We do have a couple that do look interesting, but that's pretty much how I find stocks to trade. Large cap stocks. And another thing you guys can do is you guys can go on Thinkorswim, if that's your broker, and look at stocks that way and draw up the the EMA SMA 200 lines and see where certain stocks play out. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, drop subscribe down below. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Take care. Don't forget about that Xbox One giveaway we're doing. Take care, everyone. How you enter is down below. Take care.